My name is Gavin. I'm going to show you how to create an app on your Mac of any website in just a couple minutes that looks like this. What you need to do is open up Safari. On Safari, go to a website called applicationize.me. From there, you need to copy the URL of the website that you want to create an app for. In this case, I'm going to create an app called OpenSea.io. Next, I'm going to go and upload a PNG of the file. You can find a PNG by going online and selecting the image after doing a search. So I typed in OpenSea logo, I go to images, and I right-clicked, and then I clicked Saved Image As. Then it's going to go to your downloads. Then you can upload your PNG. Next, you can rename the app. I'm going to call it OpenSea. And then you can generate and download the Chrome extension. From there, you're going to have to look inside of your download folder. So open up your download folder, and then you're going to have a CRX file. Drag that CRX file into Chrome. Now you need to go to Chrome/extensions. Drag that CRX file into Chrome and click Add App. Now your app is going to show up over here on the Chrome/apps page. What you can do is create a shortcut, and then from there you can drag the shortcut anywhere on your Mac. Most people can drag it onto your toolbar on the bottom, and then you have the app. Now let's go and see where it is. Boom, as you can see, this is a Chrome-based browser. That's an app on your Mac, and you'll be able to browse and use it as an app on your computer. All right, that sums up today's video. Which website are you gonna make an app of? Let me know in the comments below. Hit that like button and subscribe if you're new, and turn on those notifications. In the meantime, here are some videos that may be useful and save you some time.